In the world of luxury touring motorcycles, two names consistently dominate the conversation: the 2025 Honda Goldwing and the 2025 BMW K 1600 GTL. These heavyweight tourers are the epitome of long-distance comfort, performance, and high-end features. Both offer power, prestige, and plush accommodations, but they approach the grand touring experience from different angles. If you're considering investing in a premium touring motorcycle, here's an in-depth comparison to help you decide which machine suits your touring ambitions. Design and comfort. Honda Goldwing. The 2025 Goldwing carries forward its unmistakable design with a sleek, aerodynamic look that blends classic luxury with modern aesthetics. Honda has refined the fairings for better wind protection, and the seat cushioning and pillion accommodations remain top-tier. Rider ergonomics are focused on long-haul comfort with a relaxed upright position, large footboards, and heated grips and seats. The addition of new materials for the 2025 model makes it feel even more premium. BMW K 1600 GTL. The BMW K 1600 GTL emphasizes sophistication and European luxury. It boasts a more aggressive front end with a dynamic headlight setup and sharp lines that give it a sportier stance than the Goldwing. The GTL also pampers the rider and passenger with multi-level heating, an adjustable windscreen, and ergonomics tailored for comfort over marathon rides. BMW's premium build quality is evident in every detail, from the switchgear to the saddle stitching. Engine and performance. Honda Goldwing. The Goldwing is powered by a 1,833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine, producing around 125 horsepower and 170 Newton-meters of torque. Power delivery is exceptionally smooth, and the flat-six engine layout contributes to the bike's low center of gravity, enhancing balance and stability. Riders can choose between a manual 6-speed transmission or Honda's dual-clutch transmission, DCT, which offers effortless shifting and low-speed control. The engine is tuned for relaxed, low RPM cruising with plenty of torque for overtaking. BMW K 1600 GTL. The K 1600 GTL features a 1,649 cubic centimeters inline-six engine pushing out 160 horsepower and 180 Newton-meters of torque. It delivers a thrilling riding experience with brisk acceleration and high-speed confidence. BMW's six-cylinder mill is smooth and powerful with a distinctive exhaust note. Mated to a 6-speed gearbox with an optional quickshifter, the GTL offers more excitement and performance, making it ideal for riders who want their touring with a dash of sportiness. Ride and handling. Honda Goldwing. Despite its size, the Goldwing is remarkably agile, thanks to its double wishbone front suspension and low-slung frame. The front end feels planted, and the electronically adjustable suspension smooths out even the roughest roads. The bike glides through curves with grace, and the DCT model especially shines in stop-and-go traffic and relaxed highway cruising. BMW K 1600 GTL. BMW's dual-lever front suspension and para-lever rear system provide a firm yet composed ride. Corners with poise and gives the rider great feedback. The GTL feels slightly more dynamic in the twisties compared to the Goldwing. Electronically adjustable suspension, ESA, and ride modes let the rider tailor the bike's feel to road conditions and riding preference. Technology and features. Honda Goldwing. The 2025 Goldwing comes equipped with a 7-inch TFT display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, integrated navigation, and a high-quality sound system. It also offers advanced rider aids like traction control, cruise control, hill start assist, and multiple ride modes. The smart key system and electric windscreen adjustability add to the luxury feel. The optional airbag system is a unique safety feature that no other touring bike currently offers. BMW K 1600 GTL. The K 1600 GTL features a 10.25-inch TFT display that sets the standard in the segment. With full connectivity, integrated GPS, and crisp graphics, it's as high-tech as any premium car. It includes a reverse assist function, keyless ride, adaptive LED headlights, dynamic traction control, and multiple ride modes. The Harman Kardon audio system adds audiophile quality entertainment on the move. Storage and touring amenities. Honda Goldwing. The Goldwing offers 121 liters of storage capacity via its saddlebags and top box, enough for two-up touring with ease. The luggage system integrates well with the bike's design and is electronically lockable. The seat is wide and comfortable for both rider and pillion with great lumbar support. BMW K 1600 GTL. BMW's GTL provides 115 liters of storage, slightly less than the Goldwing, but still ample for most touring needs. The panniers and top case are built to the same premium standard as the rest of the bike. Passenger comfort is exceptional with a plush seat and integrated backrest. Price and verdict. Honda Goldwing MSRP, $25,600. The 2025 Honda Goldwing remains the king of long-distance comfort with its silky smooth engine, DCT option, and comprehensive suite of touring amenities. It's perfect for riders who prioritize refinement, ease of use, and long-haul luxury. BMW K 1600 GTL MSRP, $27,000. The 2025 BMW K 1600 GTL, however, brings a performance edge and cutting-edge tech to the table. With a more powerful engine and sportier dynamics, it's the bike for those who want a thrilling ride without sacrificing comfort.